Hi everyone, Marisa Stone here with Simon Says Social and the Systems Lounge. And I want to congratulate you today for registering for this webinar. This is going to be a fabulous opportunity for you to learn all about the customer journey and how it is going to impact your buyer at the moment of purchase and the things that you can do in order to create a much more cohesive customer journey for your clients. So there are 3 things that you need to do prior to this webinar. The first thing you need to do is write down the date and time of this webinar and get it in your calendar. If you're like me, if it's not in my calendar, it's not going to happen. So make sure you put that inside your calendar and get that set up right now before you do anything else. The second thing I need you to do is click on the button below and grab your ClickFunnels account. Now, the reason I want you to grab that ClickFunnels trial is because I'm going to actually send you a customer journey that I've created, a complete sales funnel that I've created that you can customize all by yourself and get it set up all by yourself so that you keep 100% of those profits. And it will be created in such a way that it's very customizable. You can add your own colors, add your own logo, do all your own stuff, provide your own product or service or download or whatever the case may be. And it's a great opportunity for you to start pulling people into your tribe and up-leveling your business. The third thing that I want you to do is make sure that you actually show up to this event, because the only way that you can get access to that funnel is if you're here. Now, this funnel is a $5,000 funnel. This funnel makes a lot of money every single month. And so I want to make sure that you get access to it. So make sure you show up and you learn all about the ways in which you can create your own customer journey so you can influence your buyers at the moment of purchase. This is hugely important, folks, if you want to up-level your business and make bank. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the webinar, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.